Our guests today, Gubba Rum and Maritime Madness.
Hey everyone, as promised, Gubba Rum, along with my new signature Crab Rum Dip. Get ready for this. It's a rum crab dip. You can make it in advance and store it for a great appetizer at home or anywhere. It's delicious.
The Galleys with Capt'n Kenny from Cape Breton Island in Canada.
So let's start with 2 tablespoons of butter and some olive oil in a pan. You can find this recipe in the description or visit our website. Let's now add 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup of white onions, 1 red bell pepper minced, all sauteed together until it is opaque-ish. Now, here comes the bride. 2/3 of a cup of Gubba Rum. But who's counting? Wonderful. Just smell this, wonderful aroma. Continue to saute, and here comes the groom. 3 to 4 dashes of Angostura Bitters from the island of Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, there's 3 main ingredients, and the major one is Gubba Rum. It is wicked smooth with real vanilla notes. And while we saute this garlic, onions, and pepper, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, now the fun part. Let's mix it all together in a baking dish. Let's preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Maritime Madness Mayo. Wickedly delicious. Easy. It's so easy. Mix 2/3 of a cup of mayo and 2 tablespoons of Maritime Madness Tropical Habanero sauce. Let's now add 2 cups of cream cheese. You can't believe the flavor here. Mix and then add the rind of 1 lime. 3 tablespoons of fresh chives chopped and the juice of 1 large lime mixed again thoroughly. And let's add 1 cup of Monterrey Jack cheese. Mix again and add 2 cups of chopped crab meat. Boom! The flavor combination of this crab, the rum, and the gooiness of the cheese is out of this world. Top it with a cup of Monterrey Jack cheese. 20 minutes at 350 in the oven. We'll brown it off at the very end. You'll see when we dip these beautiful plantains in here. Absolutely delicious. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Our crab dip is ready. Look at the color and all the gooiness. Gubba gubba doo, I love you.
A lesson about Plátanos.
Plantains, Plátanos from Central and South.
Plátanos.
Plátanos. Plantain.
Plátanos.
Plátano.
Plátano.
Plátanos.
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 Ajá, plátanos.
My Venezuelan wife is always correcting my mixed up Spanish. So, plátanos.
Plátanos.
Plátano.
Plátano.
Plátanos. Plátanos. It looks like an oversized banana, but they're not bananas. They're really, really delicious. Let's start by peeling the plantains. Very carefully slice the peel without cutting the fruit. These are green plantains. They are not ripe yet, so this is like peeling the bark off a tree. Now, we will slice them on the bias. When they are ready, heat up 2 cups of canola oil in a pan, and while it gets hot, let's slurp on Gubba's finest. The vanilla notes. If you're in the US, you can order this. He'll ship it right to your door. The oil is hot. Let's fry the plantains. This is only a pre-frying. We just want to soften them up so they can take a pounding. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, it's your time to shine. If you've never played guacamole, get ready. We're gonna play guacamole with the Plátanos.
Waka plátano.
After whacking the Plátanos, it's finishing time. Back in the oil for a minute until they're golden brown. Be careful not to burn them, so don't overcrowd them in the pan. Look at the color. This takes at the most 1.5 minutes to finish them. They're ready. Let's put them on some paper towel to absorb the oil and add some sea salt to taste. Now, for my favorite part, eating it. So everyone, remember, Mariner's rule, the captain is always right, and I'm the captain. Gubba Rum, Maritime Madness, thank you for these great products. It's a wickedly delicious dish, and so here's to you and everyone watching this. Thank you, and of course, please like, share, and subscribe. But here we go, my favorite time. A little dip of this. Many thanks to Gubba Rum and Maritime Madness for making this dish for what it is.